Hi lovelies, my name is Shayla Raquel and I am a filmmaker who specializes in writing and directing from the beautiful state of smiling faces and beautiful places, South Carolina, but currently living in the wonderful city of Washington, D.C. And I would like to welcome you all to another episode of Bless Your Heart, the Reboot.
We keep it cleaner than clean. Yeah, you can slap it in your mouth if you fuck with my team. Yeah, this the land of the pimps, the home of the slaves. We just some sucker certified spitters making our way.
All right, so let's chat. Let's talk about this for a second. Why am I on camera? Why I got this big old yellow? So back in 2016, I decided to start a vlog. The vlog was called Bless Your Heart. And the reason I wanted to start this vlog is because I knew I was about to go into my journey of creating my thesis film because I was in film school at the time and I wanted to document that journey. What ended up happening is once we got down and dirty into actually the production or pre-production of my thesis, I no longer had time to actually shoot that vlog anymore. And so what I wanted to do was I wanted to bring that vlog back, run it back real quick, but I wanted to make it a little bit more structured where I could still do like the vlogging, the following myself around as I continue on this journey of, establishing myself as a filmmaker, but also do some things where I can like teach those who are also aspiring to be writers and directors along the way, and also keep those who are interested in my journey and who support me engaged in everything that I'm doing. So I'm excited. Let's get started on this first episode. So I told you guys on my IG I was going to do a Q&A. I'm going to choose about 4 questions and then the other questions I'm going to save for like another episode. One of the questions I got is, are you filmmaking full-time? No, currently I am not filmmaking full-time. I'm actually a full-time employee. I'm a diversity program manager, currently acting deputy director of diversity and inclusion. However, it's my dream, it's my goal to one day be able to be a full-time filmmaker, but until then, I really love what I do as a salary job because it actually makes me feel like I'm making a difference in the world. And then filmmaking is that passion, is that burning desire inside of me that also makes me feel like I'm making a difference in the world because art makes a difference in the world. The next question, what's your favorite part of making a film? What's my favorite part of making a film? I would say 2 things. One is seeing an actor come alive and really become that character, especially when they do so after a direction that I've given them. It just makes my heart flutter. It's a beautiful thing to see. People don't understand how hard that craft is. People see like the glitz and glam of it, but they don't understand just how hard it is. After they do like so much research and so much work and so when I'm directing a actor, actress, and they nail a role, they nail something, that's beautiful. My second favorite part of making a film is definitely the finished product. That very first screening of like an audience getting a chance to see my film, no matter how big or how small, and hearing them, that emotional response to something you created, it's exhilarating and it's addicting, and you just can't wait to create again in order to just feel that high again, to feel that high of release and knowing that you've just put something in the world, even no matter how big or small the mark is. So it's beautiful. Third question, how are you a better filmmaker now versus 2016? So in 2016, I was in film school. And I think film school is very formal. You're getting the rules, the do's and don'ts. But after that, you have to develop your own style. You have to come up with your own niche. Niche or niche?
Niche. Also American niche.
Okay, whatever. That was like the turning point for me developing my style. Like I had a few projects under my belt. I could see things that I would gravitate to just as a director and how I wanted things to look, like my aesthetic. I realized in my process what type of genre and what type of writing I enjoy doing. I think all in all, I found my niche and I found my style, and now I'm just honing it. Like, I'm practicing it and I'm defining it even more, and I hope that is evident in my work as well. And like, I hope it goes back further than 2016. I hope when people look at my work from when I started Quarter Century, and I had no formal training in filmmaking whatsoever, but I knew I had to make something, had to put something in the world. I hope when people see like that first season of Quarter Century, and then the second season of Quarter Century, they see some growth, and then from the Quarter Centuries, and they see my little short films from film school, they see even more growth and see even more definition in my style, and just being who I am as a filmmaker and letting that be what I put into the world. I got some other great questions, but I want to save those for the next episode. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope to see you all. My tagline is usually "Smiles are contagious, so get sick." I think I'm gonna press pause on that. Yeah. And then I'll just use my tagline again in like 2021 when, you know, it's appropriate. Thanks guys for tuning in. See you later. Bye.